Hello, welcome to SOTA. My name is Leslie Punt.
And I'm Russ Torlage.
Together, we're the founders of SOTA Instruments. We created this video to help you quickly learn how to use the BioTuner Lite and how to easily incorporate it into your life.
Well, let's get started. The BioTuner Lite is the economy version of the BioTuner. The BioTuner has more features and additional modes. Both the BioTuner and the BioTuner Lite support the body-mind connection by offering harmonic frequencies that create an inner sense of calm, tranquility, and balance. Remember to read the product manual, or better yet, go to the SOTA website to read the most current version. You will need the ear clips with rubber electrodes, the BioTuner cord, and a 9-volt alkaline battery. First, place the 9-volt battery in the unit. Next, clean your earlobes to remove any skin oils. Attach the ear clips to the metal pins on the end of the BioTuner cord. Plug the BioTuner cord into the unit. Moisten the rubber electrodes in the ear clips with some water and place one ear clip on an earlobe with the rubber electrode to the back of the earlobe as close to the jaw as possible. Repeat with the other ear clip. Turn the BioTuner Lite on and gently increase the intensity to a comfortable level. You should feel a slight buzzing sensation. The green light will come on. Slip the unit into a pocket or place it beside you where you sit. The BioTuner Lite has a built-in 20-minute timer. After 20 minutes, the unit goes into sleep mode. The output stops, but there's still a drain on the battery. Turn the unit off. If you want to do another 20-minute cycle, you can turn the unit back on. When starting with the BioTuner Lite, we suggest one 20-minute cycle per day for the first 3 to 4 days. You can then increase to 2 20-minute cycles per day. If deeper relaxation is desired, increase gradually, up to 6 or more cycles daily. Use the BioTuner Lite for a minimum of 30 days for best results. The relaxation benefits build the longer you use it. The BioTuner Lite can be used anytime, while working, out walking the dog, or before bed. Some use it while meditating. Many people report feeling relaxed when using the BioTuner Lite, so prefer to use it in the evening. We suggest keeping it out where you can see it, maybe on the bedside table. Others prefer using it during the day, while at work or school, while making dinner, or first thing in the morning. In this case, the kitchen counter or your desk might be a good place to keep it. Setting an alarm on your phone to remind you is a great idea.
We hope this video helps you get started with the BioTuner Lite.
Remember, consistency is the key. Placing your BioTuner Lite where you can see it will help to remind you to use it. And thank you for watching.